What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Burre Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I'm back from vacation. If you guys didn't tap into the last video, I did a video while I was in Florida, top 5 sneakers to bring with you on vacation. Yeah, but you guys know the vibes, man, so go check that video out. But yeah, I'm back from vacation, so obviously I came home with some packages, so let's get straight in these packages. I don't know what this is. I know what these two bags are. I know what this box is. And I'll probably be dropping another video later on today because I know I got another package coming in. So I don't know what this is. We're gonna open it, man. I bought a lot of stuff. Matter of fact, I bought my girl a pair of shoes, but I bought the wrong size. I don't know what I was thinking. What is this? What the heck is this? Oh, okay. This isn't nothing, bro. This is just, I don't even know why I unboxed this. I should have just saved this for earlier. But this is like I don't even know how to explain it. It's a Pedialyte t-shirt, bro. I'll show it just to show it. It's a Pedialyte t-shirt. So basically we bought a box of Pedialyte and it was like, fill out this thing and you get a free t-shirt. So I just did it to do it. Anyway, it's a Pedialyte t-shirt.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anyways, that, honestly, I didn't know that was what that was. Okay, so that's not the banger for this video, I promise you. But I do know what these are. So we'll unbox these. Pedialyte t-shirt, bruh. I might edit that out, honestly. Cause I didn't know what it was. Alright, first is first. This is from the Cactus Jack. Can you see that? Fuck it. Let's just open it. Cause I'm not reselling this shit anyway. Cactus Jack, bro. I got a large T. Can you see it? Fragment collaboration with Cactus Jack. I forgot what shirts I got, to be honest with you. It took so long to get the shirts back. This is clean though. I didn't get any fragments, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I could possibly, I don't know if you guys seen them, but I seen those Converse fragments. So I might just cop those, man. I seen a couple pairs of those. They weren't going for a lot. Get the low cut or the low top Converse fragments. I'd kind of go with that shirt. Let's see what else we got. This is another one. These are fire, bro. This is the white one. I think it's the same thing. On the back it says like, manifest your dreams. This is a whole bunch of stuff. It's like a crossword puzzle. This is dope. I like the way it's like a, what do you call it, debossed? How like it's like super thick on the, I know you guys can see that. It's just fire, man. This is good quality. T-shirt's pretty soft. And even on this one, though it's a different shirt, You know what I'm saying? It like pops off the shirt, bro. On the back it says, manifest your dreams, create your own world. We are a fragment of the story. I like it. It says Houston, Texas, Japan. It is a fragment of your imagination, a place. This is a place birthed from, what does that say? A place birthed from our minds. Anyways, bruh. I'm kind of slow right now. So you guys gotta forgive me. So I got these two shirts. Like I said, I'll probably edit out that first shirt. Depends on how lazy I am when I get to editing this video down. And then last but not least, I don't know if any of you guys went for that Kanye Gap collaboration, but I did. I was kind of bored that day, so I went for it. Shit comes in a paper bag. Well, it comes in a box, obviously, right? But it comes in a paper bag. Alright. It's like eco-friendly. Instead of a plastic bag, it comes in a paper bag. That's what's up. So I got the Kanye West. I got the hoodie. They said it was kind of cropped, so I got an extra large because I don't do the crop. You know what I mean? Obviously I love hoodies, but I don't do the crop top stuff. That's just weird to me. But I got the brown one. I'll try it on real quick. And we can just kind of see. So I got extra large. This hoodie is pretty heavy, man. I wear a lot of sweatshirts. And this sweatshirt is pretty damn heavy. I like this sweatshirt because it doesn't have anything on it, bro. I could wear this sweatshirt with any shoe, anything, any company. It's not gonna matter. Hopefully it just don't fit me like it's a girl shirt. You know what I mean? They said it was cropped. So hold on, let me try it on real quick. All right, hold on. Let me raise up this table. Step back a little bit. So I mean, I got an extra large. It is cropped though. I don't know about that, man. But I guess it's made to be like cropped, and then your shirt's supposed to hang out like kind of like my shirt's hanging out right now. I don't know though. It's comfortable. It's super duper soft. I like the way the arms fit. I would actually obviously like have to like steam it to get all the wrinkles out and stuff. But I'm not mad at it. I'm happy I got an extra large. If I would have got a large, this would have looked, I probably would have sold it. This is cool. I could rock this with like, some mochas or something. You know what I mean? I haven't worn these yet, and I need something to wear with it. So I think it's cool, man. Throw on like something nice, some Jordans. Now I could wear like Jordan and Yeezy together. You get what I'm trying to say? I could wear Jordan, I could wear Yeezy together. Hold on, But yeah, I could wear Jordan, I could wear Yeezy together. It's just cool. It's soft. It's super duper soft. Like I said, I normally wear a large, but I got an extra large in this sweatshirt. So that's pretty much it, man. That's all we got for today. I got my little Kanye sweatshirt for I think I spent $90 on this, $100. And I don't know how much these are going for. I could look real quick. Let me look on StockX. These are going for 143 bucks. You see that? Yeah, these are going for 143 bucks. So that's crazy. I would not spend 143 bucks on this sweatshirt. I like it though. It's a keeper for me. I got my Kanye. I got my 2 Fragment tees. Got the white and the black. Let's see how much these are going for since y'all people you guys got endless money. I thought spending 90 bucks on this sweatshirt was too much. I'll be honest with you. But there's no way I'd spend 143 bucks on this shirt or on this hoodie. Let's go. Let's look up this Cactus Jack Fragment collab. Let's see the blue one. I'm going for 60 bucks. That's an extra large. How much is the large going for? Yeah. Large going for 50 bucks. And then the black tee is going for 52 bucks. How much did I pay? And these were $48 retail. Going for 52 bucks. And one's going for, I think I said $60. Not for resale. I need new clothes, bro. I don't have no clothes. Like, I don't know how to dress, you know what I'm saying? So this is dope. I need some fits. I'll probably wear it in one of my videos coming up. But look, man, I'm out of here. It's good to be back. I should have another video dropping later on today. It's good to be back. I appreciate you guys for tapping in with your boy. Hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and hitting that notification bell. It's your boy, Burre Collins. I've already tapped in, and now I'm tapping out. Peace.